Sandy's in the car, so I'm not gonna turn it off. Focus, camera, focus. What is up? It's your boy Aing, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got today we got a fun one. We're gonna be talking about something that a lot of people are always on the fence about. It seems like one day we're happy with the Tacoma, we love the power, the output that it's giving us, but the next day we want a tune, we want a pedal commander, we want something to enhance our driving. And of course, well, at least I can't afford a supercharger. But before I get into the video, I am using my truck for truck things. There's wood. I got wood for my, it's because an ottoman broke and I went to Lowe's and I got wood. So I don't know, I was expecting it to be a little bit cooler, but I guess not. We're gonna be talking about tunes, in specifically the KDMAX tune versus a pedal commander. Now, I recently had a buddy who was in this process. He had the stock Tacoma. It's a 21 TRD off-road. It's a very nice truck, but he was interested. He was like, what can this truck do if we enhance it a little bit? So he got the pedal commander. He's a fan of the channel. He let me ride along. He let me drive his Tacoma. Unfortunately, he didn't want to be on camera, so I didn't get to record, but I got the knowledge. So I'm going to share that knowledge with you guys now. He ended up having the pedal commander for around like 2-3 weeks, and then ended up getting the KDMAX tune done, which is what we're comparing in today's video. So I'm super excited because I'm on the fence about getting them. As of right now, I don't feel like I need either, but of course for YouTube, for you, I probably will end up getting these. But in today's video, we're going to talk about 5 different topics. We're going to talk about the price, of course, because well, that's like the most important factor. We're going to talk about the MPG, the miles per gallon. Is it any better? Is it any worse? We're going to talk about the installation, plug and play or a lot of delay. I don't know why I tried to rhyme that, excuse me. And what about warranty? Because everybody has that warranty question. What if something goes wrong? Will warranty be able to spot that, well, it was this person's fault? And last but not least, the overall experience. Is it a lot better? Is it not that much better? So all of that is going to be in today's video. So please, if you're interested, leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. I appreciate your faces, but without further ado, let's get right into the video. So first and foremost, of course, the price. The price is very, very important. You can get a pedal commander for around $250 to $300. Just depends on the season. Of course, they have like Black Friday deals. It just depends on where you find it. I've seen it as low as $249.99 on Amazon, as high as $299.99 on Amazon. Be patient, you may find it for $249, and that's when I would snag it if that's what you're looking to do. Now, the KDMAX, on the other hand, that's a little confusing. I've seen some for $220. That was a group rate. It was like 20 Tacomas that were gonna go. I was gonna do it on the last Tacoma, ended up bailing. I reached out recently for this video. I had somebody quote me $350. That's weird. My friend, my buddy though, he got it for $250. So it's in the same ballpark, $250 versus $250 or $300. Really depends. You have to check in your area, see what they're offering, let them know Aing sent you. That will add a 0% discount. But you guys can talk about, you know, your favorite Tacoma YouTuber. Don't do it, he'll probably charge you more. Second is miles per gallon. Miles per gallon, I feel like, is very, very important. A lot of people are interested. They think that the Tacoma doesn't give you enough miles per gallon. It's a truck, but nonetheless, we'll talk about it. So with the pedal commander, it was worse. Some people say it does get better. I think it was just due to this more spirited driving. He is also lifted on 33s, so take that into consideration. But with the tune did get better. It was like a 2 to 3 miles per gallon increase, both city and highway. So that's actually pretty good. That's pretty solid. On a lifted truck, it was 18 in the city and I think like 21 on the highway. Now, that is worse than what I'm getting, but lifted with bigger tires, that's pretty good. Now, installation though. Installation is a big part of this. So for me, I'd rather go plug and play all day. I am rhyming like Dr. Seuss today. I think it would be a lot easier for me just to plug it in and get on the road. And that's where the pedal commander stands out. It's plug and play. You plug it in, you're ready to go. The KDMAX tune, you have to find somebody, you have to trust somebody, you have to tell them, hey, can we meet in like a parking lot with no lights or cameras? And can you plug your computer into my truck? Now, as sketchy as I made it seem, it's usually not that bad, and it's usually done in a group, in a crowd, which also can be a little bit sketchy, but you know what I'm saying. It's not always that bad. It just depends on you. If you're cool with that, then go for it. Spending $40,000 on a truck and then having somebody work on it on their computer, I don't know. Another point that comes up quite a bit is warranty. Warranty. Brother, listen, kiddo, listen. Who needs warranty? All right? It's a Tacoma. But in case you're worried, pedal commander versus the KDMAX tune. Let's say you drive 2 hours to get your KDMAX tune done. right? You get this KDMAX tune done, and then, well, you're driving back home, a couple weeks go by, you have some weird issues going on with the truck. The dude is no longer available. Now you have a little bit of troubles on your hands, because if Toyota looks deep enough, they will find. Like, if you're trying to charge someone money, they will go to the depths of the sea to try to make sure it's not their fault, and they will find it. People say it's undetectable, people say you can't really see it. I don't believe that. But of course I may be wrong, but I am giving you the advice that I would give myself. I don't trust it. If you got a pedal commander, let's say you're leaving a parking lot, you hit the gas a little bit, and for some reason the pedal commander overreacts, and then you run into a pole like that, you can unplug the pedal commander, and you know, well then, hey Toyota, I have no idea. Obviously, if they look deep enough, they will see you in the Target parking lot taking out the pedal commander and like throwing it across the parking lot. But, you know, for the most part, it's easier to hide than a whole tune being done on your computer. And last but not least, talk about performance. Aang, that's all we care about, buddy. That's all we care about. We don't want to talk about MPGs. Ooh, I was gonna try to rhyme again. I'm a psycho. So I do got to give it to the KDMAX tune. Okay, I have to give it to the tune. It shifted better. The response was not as good as the pedal commander, but it held gear longer. It drove a little bit smoother. The pedal commander though, it was enough for me. Like, it would just accelerate better, felt a little bit smoother. But of course, it just depends on you. If the gear hunting thing is something that affects your truck significantly, I would recommend getting the tune, or get a pedal commander first, give it a try. You can always return it on Amazon like 2 weeks after. So use it for a couple weeks, figure it out, and well, if you don't like it, return it. Eventually I'm gonna get both, probably. Not the whole supercharger. I hope, I mean, if you like, comment, and subscribe, share this to every cat Facebook group chat that you're in, maybe, just maybe, we'll be able to get the installation part, not the actual supercharger, but we can get closer and closer every day. I think I would start with the pedal commander, then get the tune, and then, well, you know, the Big Daddy supercharger. But I'm interested to know what you guys think, what you guys use, and if you guys would do any of these, or are you fine with the way the stock Tacoma performs? I'm happy with it. I think the 245s are helping me, so I don't know, I'm happy with what I got. I think we're fine for now. So with that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription, man. You already know the dealio. It's been your boy, I'm Outy Like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.